guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to talk about a facial serum. Now, what is a facial serum? A facial serum helps to repair the skin. It helps to brighten, lighten, it helps to reduce wrinkles on the skin, your forehead wrinkles, your jawline wrinkles, your laugh lines, your parentheses, your under eye wrinkles. It even goes all the way down on the neck and décolleté. Now, most people are familiar with moisturizer. Now, moisturizer is totally different from a facial serum. Moisturizer contains some form of an ingredient mixed with oils, while the serum is often water-based. You do, however, have some serums that contain some form of an oil, but a serum will be the thing that is going to repair the skin way over the moisturizer. Some moisturizer are induced with antioxidants like vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, but the serum have a higher concentration of ingredients that works really fast on the skin. Now, you have serums that you can use at night and you have serums that you can use in the daytime, but most serums are geared towards using AM and PM. Now, today I want to share a few serums with you. Now, take a look at the Chichi Beauty Anti-Aging Facial Serum. Now, this serum is a very special serum because it is made with some unique ingredients that are known to repair the skin. Not only is this serum going to repair your skin, but it's also going to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. One of the main ingredients in this serum is potato. And if you know anything about potato, it contains an ingredient known as catecholase. Now, this catecholase, when chilled, help to tighten and firm the skin, and that is why you might see a lot of DIYs using the potato. I personally make a lot of DIY videos using the potato because it works on the skin. Not only does it work to tighten and firm the skin, but it is also great for clearing hyperpigmentation on the skin. We take all of that, we put it in this bottle. We add some hyaluronic acid to it, we add some vitamin C to it, and we also had some special ingredients to it that will help your skin to look years younger. Now, how do you use this amazing serum on the skin? I personally like to use this serum at night, but it's a serum that you can use AM and PM. Now, when you use your serum on the skin, you want to make sure that your skin is clean to get the maximum result. So I suggest that you maintain your skin by cleansing the skin twice per day and by exfoliating at least twice per week. And also go ahead, use a facial mask once or twice a week on the skin. And then when you're ready to use your serum, you wash your face, you spritz your toner on. And why do you need the toner when you're going to use the serum? You need that toner because the toner helps to balance the natural pH levels of the skin. You can find a variety of toners on ALESMAXii.com, which is the home of the Chichi Beauty skincare products. Now, as you splash that toner on, and that toner that I like is the one that comes with this, which is the Supreme Anti-Aging Toner that also goes with the Supreme Facial Serum. So the toner is on, and then all you need is a few drops of the serum on the skin. How do you apply the serum on the skin? Most of the time you watch a video, you're going to see people applying the serum like that. That is just for demonstration purposes. You apply it like that. Whenever I'm showing you how well the serum works on my skin, I would apply it like that. But the honest truth is, the best way to apply your serum on the skin is either you're going to drop it here, drop it there, drop it here, drop it here, drop it here, or you're going to take the serum and you're going to put 1, 2, or 3 drops of the serum in your hands. And then you are going to rub the serum like that. Do not over rub the serum. Just lightly spread the serum on your hands, and then you're going to go in. And I like to press a serum on my skin like this. I like to just press it on my skin, and I like to take my serum on my neck and my décolleté. So I place the serum on the neck and décolleté, and I just go ahead and I just press it on my skin like that. And when I'm done with that, I let the serum dry on the skin. Now go ahead, fan it, or just leave it like that. It will dry on the skin. A serum is not greasy, it's going to penetrate the skin, and that is the reason why you need a moisturizer on top of the serum, because the moisturizer is what going to contain that oil that is going to hydrate and moisturize that skin. So apply the serum on the skin and let it sit on the skin. How often do you use a serum? I personally use a serum every day on my skin. If you're using, let's say, the Chichi Beauty facial serum, which is the Supreme Anti-Aging Facial Serum, use it every day, AM and PM, right after your toner. You can also choose to mix the serum with your retinol serum. Okay, so if you have a retinol serum that you use at night, you could put 1 drop of that retinol serum and 1 drop of the Supreme Anti-Aging Facial Serum. A good retinol serum is the Chichi Beauty retinol serum that you can find on our website, and we will put the link under the video if you want to check it out. But if you're looking for reducing the wrinkles and fine lines while repairing the skin and getting maximum result, you can mix it with the retinol serum. No need to, only if you're interested in using retinol on the skin. So here is one serum that you can try on the skin. Now, let's continue talking about a serum. As I said, the serum help to repair the skin, and serums comes in a wide variety, and there are plenty of serums out there on the market. Today I'm featuring serums from the Chichi Beauty collection. Now here is another serum that you all need in your life. And why am I saying it like that? Because this is a vitamin C serum. Now what does the vitamin C serum does to the skin? It helps to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, but it also gives your skin that healthy glow. We have citric acid in this, and guys, this also is made up of great ingredients that are known to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin and also help to repair, brighten, and lighten the skin. That is the reason why we love this vitamin C serum. And another thing about this vitamin C serum is that anyone can use the vitamin C serum. Once you start out into skincare, I would say anywhere from 15 years all the way up to 100, you can use a vitamin C serum. Very versatile. When do you need that vitamin C serum on the skin? You use that vitamin C serum just like any other serum. You wash your face, you put your toner on, and then you apply the serum on the skin. Now, if you are out there and you have hyperpigmentation on the skin, this is a good serum for you, because it's not only going to repair the skin, but it's also going to get rid of your dark spots and blemishes that you have on the skin. A good serum to use also when you are going through menopause, where you find all those little spot and blemishes popping up all over the skin. So you apply the vitamin C serum on the skin, you let it dry on the skin just like those other serums, and then you go ahead and, especially if you have dry skin, go ahead and use your moisturizer atop of the serum. Now, vitamin C serum is a very tricky serum because when you use it on the skin, you also have to remember to stay out of the sun. Some people like to use a vitamin C serum at night, while some people like to use it in the daytime. Personally, for me, I tend to gravitate towards it in the daytime because I'm definitely using a moisturizer on top of it. And not only that, I'm also going to be using some makeup on top of it, which always contains some form of a SPF. So you choose whether you want to use it at night or you want to use it in the day. If you have only the vitamin C serum, go ahead and use it AM and PM on the skin. And yes, it is good to take down on the neck and décolleté. Another thing that I tend to do with my vitamin C serum is that I also use it on my hands. And you know, when you're getting older and you're losing all that collagen and elasticity from your hands, you also need to treat it just as the way you treat your face. So I tend to just wash and exfoliate my hands just like my face, and I use my vitamin C on my hands to keep it looking younger and fresher. That's another serum you can use on the skin. And you can also mix this vitamin C serum with your Supreme serum if you choose to. You don't really have to, but if you're like a serum junkie and you're looking for top result, you can go ahead and mix the two together. However, our Supreme serum contains a bit of a vitamin C. So two other serum I want to share with you, and take a look at at the next one. This is hyaluronic acid. Now, many people are not familiar with hyaluronic acid. However, guys, it is similar. For me, it is similar to collagen. Your body produces hyaluronic acid, but when you start to age, the process slow down just like with collagen, and that is what helps to keep the skin firmer, hydrated, and fully moisturized. That kind of a dewy look that your skin tend to have sometimes when it is in good condition. This is what helps. Now, there's one thing you need to know. How does hyaluronic acid work on the skin? Hyaluronic acid work on the skin to prevent water from escaping, making it an ideal serum for people with a dry skin. Hyaluronic also is ideal for the aging skin, because you know when we get a little older, everything is going on with the skin. The skin is dry, it's flaky right here, it's wrinkled right there. So you need this hyaluronic acid. Now, let's say you take a sponge, and the sponge, when you soak it up with water, if you turn the sponge over like this, the water is going to drip out on this side. If you turn it the other way like that, the water is going to drip on the other side. Any direction you turn that sponge in, the water is going to drip. Now, when it comes on to hyaluronic acid, what it does is that it absorbs the water. Instead of dripping out all that water, it keep that water, grab it from everywhere and hold it. Similar to like a dehumidifier that actually drag the water out of the air and condense it and put it in that drainage bucket. That is just how the hyaluronic acid work on the skin. It draw the water from everywhere and keep it in that sponge and lock it right on your skin. That means your skin stay hydrated all the time. Good to have. And I always advise people, if you are into serums, get an hyaluronic acid serum. And if you have even a variety of serum, make sure you also have one with hyaluronic acid. Now, when it comes on to the Chichi Beauty serums, most of our serums do contain a bit of a hyaluronic acid. We deliberately do that because we want that extra protection, that extra moisture to the skin, especially when you use our serum. However, nothing is wrong with getting an extra hyaluronic acid serum. And for me, when I'm on the go, when I'm rushing, if I'm on vacation and all of that, this is the serum that I tend to always want to have with me. And the hyaluronic acid serum is great for all age group, all skin type, whether you have dry skin, whether you have oily skin, whether you have normal skin, combination skin, acne prone skin, it doesn't matter. You can use that hyaluronic acid serum on the skin. Now I'm going to move on to my final serum, guys, and this is our papaya serum. Now, what I like about the papaya serum is that it is made from the papaya. Now, if you know anything about papaya, you know that it helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It boosts collagen and elastin in the skin. It keeps the skin looking younger. That enzyme that have to boost a circulation in the skin, that enzyme that have to lighten and brighten the skin. You're going to get all of that from the papaya serum. This is one serum in the bunch that I would tell you that, okay, if you're going to use it and you don't feel like using a moisturizer, you can go ahead and use it without a moisturizer, because it do contain a little bit of a macadamia oil in it, just a wee bit of a macadamia oil. It's an anti-wrinkle moisturizer, reduce wrinkles, lighten and brighten the skin. It also contains a bit of a hyaluronic acid. It's the serum that I would give to anyone that is new to serum. You have no idea what a serum is, you have never used a serum before, I would give this one to you. This is also a serum that I would give to the guys. I would give them to use, the teenage girl, young adult, you know, I would give anyone this serum. However, this serum is perfect for aging skin, and it is a serum that most people tend to like. You take a little bit of the serum, you apply it on the skin, and you massage it in the skin just like the rest of the serum. So if you have not been using serum on the skin, this is a time for you to try a serum, because it works hand in hand with your moisturizer. As a matter of fact, most serum is going to give you better result than your moisturizer. The difference between the serum and the moisturizer is that the serum helps to repair the skin, and the moisturizer help to moisturize the skin, along with, depending on the moisturizer that you're using, also help to give the skin some nutrients depending on what is placed in the moisturizer. So we just feature our Hyaluronic Acid Serum, our Supreme Age Renewal Serum, our Vitamin C Serum, and also our Papaya Serum. All of these serum you can find on ALESMAXii.com, which I'll put right here, which is the home of the Chichi Beauty skincare products. Now, which of these serum would you really want to try if you have not tried any of these serum? Go ahead and start commenting. And if you have been using a serum on the skin before, how do you really use your serum? And is there anything new that you discovered today from me sharing and talking about using serum on the skin? Now, serum is a must try, guys, and it's good to incorporate in your daily skincare routine. So that's my time today. Thank you so much for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to start using a serum on the skin. Remember, you use a serum right after you use your facial toner. If you have any more questions regarding serum, go ahead, comment below, or send us an email at chichibeauty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the videos, and don't forget to visit ALESMAXii.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.